Hi friends, this is Bijita. Welcome to my channel once again. Today in this video, I'll cover an important topic, which is the navigation of organization structure. We all know organization structure, that in our SAP we do create multiple organizational unit like company code, like sales organization, like purchase organization, like plant, like division, like distribution channel, blah blah blah. So all of the organizational units are linked with each other, and the level multiple level at which they are linked together are known as the organizational structure. Means how they are linked with each other is being known as the organizational structure. So we have heard about this term many times. We know what is the organizational structure, we know which all are different organizational unit, and we know how they are linked with each other, but we cannot see them we cannot see all of them at a single time in a particular page. So we only know about the organizational structure virtually, but we don't have seen them in front of our eyes. So how to navigate that thing, how to see the organizational structure in our SAP software, that thing will be instructed today. So I am going to a T code EC01. I hope you all can see my screen. Yeah, the EC01. See, the name of the description of the same is organizational object company code. Now I'll click on the structure button. I'll click on the navigation button. It will take a bit time, and then it will be appearing. It is compiling, as this has been executed for the first time. So it is compiling, and finally the page will be appeared. EC01 is the transaction wherein you can show your organizational structure. You can navigate by the process that I am instructing here. So that's the navigation through which you can bring up your organizational structure, and you can following the same, you can practice in your own system. So I have got this question from many of you saying that how to see the organization structure in SAP. So that's why I have prepared the video for all of you, so that you can follow and you can do the same in your system as well. It is again taking a bit time, as it is compiling for the first time. Now the compilation has forwarded a bit. It is going forward. Compiling the table means it is reading out all the tables. I think I had clicked on the wrong button. I had to click on the structure button, then I had to click on the navigation button. Yes, now I have to press enter. Now I have clicked on the find button here, and in the find button I have entered my company code. You have to enter your own company code. Now I am picking up my own company code here. This is my company code. I want to see the organization structure of the same company code. Now I'll double click on the same. this is my organization structure. See, it is the company under which the company code is there, it is been displayed. Then the controlling area, I am clicking on the controlling area under which the controlling area is there, and I am clicking on the controlling, I am expanding the controlling area organizational unit under which company code is there. So likewise, there are plant section, there are sales organization section, there are purchase organization section. Now I am expanding the sales org under the sales organization. Under the sales org, there is distribution channel. If I expand the distribution channel, under the same there is plant. So I am expanding one of the plant. The plant also contains the plant storage area, means the storage location, then company code, then distribution chain, and there is sales area as well. So sales organization has distribution chain, sales organization distribution assignment, then the company code. So that part is fine. Now I am going to the purchase organization. Purchase organization also has the company code and the plant. So that's the organization structure. You can expand each one of the nodes, and you can see what all linking is there. So that's the transaction, that's the navigation through which you can see your organization structure in SAP. If you have liked the video, then please like and subscribe the channel. I'll surely come up with some new video in next few days. Till then, thanks for watching the channel. Take care. Bye bye.